As a security professional, you're probably always looking to gain an advantage. An advantage that lets you confidently enable the business and stay ahead of threats. To do this, you need actionable insights into the risk posture of your entire business and how it could be compromised. In this video, we will introduce how XM Cyber's continuous exposure management platform will help you work smarter and accelerate remediation efficiency to enhance your security posture by focusing on the issues that matter most to you and your business. To help your teams work smart, our solution provides a comprehensive view of diverse exposures and how they chain together to pose a greater risk to your business. Risk is usually calculated using a formula of likelihood multiplied by impact. From the dashboard, you can view the top impacting attack techniques to help understand the likelihood, and the critical assets at risk section to comprehend the impact of the risk equation. The top choke points section help your teams target where their remediation efforts can be the most effective to drive a proactive reduction to your risk posture, all aimed at helping you fix less but prevent more. The data reported in the dashboard come from the attack scenarios. During the onboarding process, our cybersecurity experts will help tailor a specific set of scenarios for your individual environment and desired business outcomes. A scenario can be deployed from a template or built to your specific needs in a few simple clicks. Each scenario is focused specifically on the critical assets that you want to protect. Our attack scenarios continuously monitor dynamic changes in your environment to track how these changes impact the possible attack paths and the risk they present to your critical assets. These attack scenarios are the key building block to help focus your attention and address the question of where to start and how to accelerate your risk remediation effort. Unlike other solutions on the market today, we allow you to truly see your environment through the eyes of the attacker. Our unique battleground view displays your entire hybrid attack surface with logical groupings to suit your individual needs. Entities can be displayed by domain, locations, network subnets, and business taxonomy, which helps your varying teams contextualize the information in the most logical way for them. Whereas other tools focus only on detecting the most likely breach point, XM Cyber operates in an assume breach methodology to uncover how an adversary would execute different attack techniques to compromise devices, evade security defenses, and spread laterally through your network to reach their ultimate end goal of your critical assets. Focusing our attack scenarios on your most critical assets, we discover all possible attack paths the adversary could take to reach their goal by exposing the misconfigurations, vulnerabilities, and identity issues that could be exploited along the way. Once we see all the ways an attack could propagate and the devices that would be compromised along the way, we are able to highlight the high-risk choke points where multiple attack paths intersect. These choke points then allow you to focus your remediation efforts on the weakness in your defenses that have the most dramatic impact to your security risk posture. Once you see all ways an adversary could compromise your critical assets, our solution goes a step further with guidance on what to do. For every attack scenario continuously running within our solution, we provide an attack report card. With each card, we will show you the total number of assets affected, as well as the percentage of your critical assets that could have been compromised by this specific breach. Most importantly, we also identify the number of choke points that need to be remediated to break the attack path. Each attack report contains a comprehensive breakdown of the attack scenario, which includes an overview of the findings, links to support, research and reference articles, and a rating of both the severity and the complexity of the remediation effort. Unlike other solutions that just highlight or alert on the risk level, XM Cyber includes a comprehensive library of remediation playbooks across different category types. If the vulnerability can be patched, you will see a remediation playbook. However, patching may not always be a viable option, so we also include a hardening playbook to correct misconfiguration or remove elements of weak security posture. The final playbook type is a best practices guide, which may include additional recommendations such as least privilege access or network segmentation, depending on the type of scenario. Each playbook can be downloaded in an easy-to-understand, human-readable form and can even be attached to your ticketing system, so the right playbook is provided to the right team member to implement their relevant remediation steps. The final outcome our solution delivers is the ability to track the effectiveness of your remediation efforts to have a positive impact on risk reduction, to help you understand when you're winning. From the dashboard page, you can immediately see your current security score ranked from an F to an A rating. How is the score calculated? Well, the security score is the average score of all attack scenarios running across your estate. Each scenario has an individual score that is based on how easy it is for the attacker to compromise a critical asset. The easier it is and the more critical assets that can be compromised results in a lower or poor score. As we identify the key choke points and your operations teams more accurately target their remediation efforts using our guided playbooks, it becomes harder for the attacker to compromise the critical assets. And the security score for each attack scenario increases and drives the overall business security posture closer to an A rating. The structure of our attack scenarios are designed to help you focus on what matters most by validating both the likelihood and, more importantly, the impact side of the risk equation. In a language and logic the business understands to further demonstrate where you are improving your security posture. When individuals and teams can stop wasting time on fixes that don't impact risk, by working smarter and accelerating remediation efforts, everyone will sleep better knowing they are working to actually fix the problems that matter most and ensure you are winning the race to outpace threat actors. It's time to change how you work. It's time to fix less, prevent more. To find out more about how XM Cyber's continuous exposure management platform will help your organization achieve remediation efficiency and fortify your security posture, select the link below to request a tailored demo, so we can show you how to fix less, but prevent more. Thank you for your time.